Interpretation of Matthew 6:34 according to AI states, so do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will bring its own worries. Today's trouble is enough for today. This verse teaches first, present moment focus. Prioritize today's tasks and concerns. 2. Trust in God's sovereignty. He is in control of tomorrow. 3. Avoid anxiety. Worrying about the future hinders today's productivity. 4. Contentment. Be satisfied with what you have without excessive longing. 5. Dependence on God. Seek His guidance and strength daily. In context, Jesus is teaching 1. Dependence on God. Matthew 6:25-33. 2. Prioritizing the kingdom. Matthew 6:33. 3. Avoiding worldly worries. Matthew 6:19-24. Practical applications. Number 1. Take things one day at a time. Number 2. Release worries about the future. Number 3. Cultivate gratitude for today's blessings. Number 4. Seek God's guidance and strength daily. Number 5. Focus on eternal priorities. During my down days, Matthew 6:35